Okay, we are here at our backyard. I'm just checking our backyard now. I'm just checking if the installation of the lights I did last night was good. So this is it. This is what's happening here in our backyard, at our backyard. So this is Aegis trampoline. So I just installed the light. At the same time, so we'll be having a party with our neighbors, Leo. He will be celebrating his birthday on 25 of August. So we're expecting that the kids will be coming here with their parents. So I just...
You have to see the full moon.
Where is it?
The full moon, come.
Wait, oh, there's a Borealis?
Yeah.
Where?
Wait. Come.
Where's the Borealis? Okay, let's go and find the Borealis first.
Let's do.
Where? May Borealis dyan?
Yeah.
Saan? Kita ba? Oo.
Laki.
Ay, full moon.
Yan ang full moon, AJ. Woo. It's a teaspoon.
That's a full moon. I thought it's Borealis. I thought it's Northern Lights.
Ay, dito na parang meron.
So we're just watching the full moon.
Wow. It can stick through trees.
So this time is, anong oras na ngayon? Last 10?
10.
So this time now is 10 o'clock in the evening.
So cool.
And this is the place, or this is the area where we live. This is our community.
Cool.
It's a quiet one.
Moon. Be
So here?
careful about the car.
So it's look like a subdivision in the Philippines. So it's a quiet, and we are exclusively in an area where there's no cars for the public area. Like, I mean, this is mainly for the neighborhood cars in here. That's why it's like a quiet place. And this is our neighbor. Still have his lights. Okay, let's find out and let's check our lights.
You can speak about me.
I'll just check. Oh, the good. This is our front of the house, and the flower now. Our flowers now are blooming, but it's not yet full blast. See here. Those are the flowers. So hopefully, but like after 2 weeks, it's gonna be like full blast flowers. See here. So let's go back to the backyard. Is it good? Okay. Now we'll see. We'll see how AJ is. So you like it? Nasubukan mo bang tumalon dyan?
Hindi ba kaya?
Punta, talong ka. Subukan mo. Maganda kayo exercise yan.
Oh, see?
Hindi, pwede naman ang 6 na tao dyan. Subukan mo. Oo, subukan mo nga kasi maganda, nakakahingal din eh.
AJ, talong-talong.
Para once in a lifetime ba, kumbaga. Why not? I mean.
AJ, Tito is there.
See? Pero nakakapagod din. Dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan.
Oh, parang pwede ba exercise?
Pwede nga eh, ayaw mo lang gawin eh. Pwede. Nakakapagod kaya.
Oo. Si ate ano na, dahan-dahan.
Oo, no? Kapagod na.
Oh.
Pero hindi siya, mas okay ang malaki kasi sa maliit. Ang maliit kasi ano, sakit sa...
At saka yan, talaga mapupurse kang tumalon kasi nagbabump eh.
Ayos no? Smooth.
See?
Yung kina, ano,
Sa tingin, sabi ko kasi mag-exercise ka eh. Okay, this is Aegis trampoline. And that's a good thing. Oh, ganun pala yun pagka... Oh! Can you show me your flip?
AJ, careful.
Wrong move.
Wrong move.
Wrong move. Okay,
Careful
go.
with your neck.
Go flip. Oh, that's good.
Diba? Galing niya.
AJ now is enjoying his summer. And on winter, this coming winter, we'll be installing again the skating rink for him. So we'll be taking a picture tomorrow, but this one I just want to see
Mine ultimate
how the
move.
lights goes.
Mine ultimate move.
Show me. Oh. Okay, now this is our backyard. You see?
Bye.
See you. Okay, sige na. Kukunan ko lang to. Para may i-upload ko sa video ni AJ para souvenir. Okay, this one here is our, and we have this one is basically for our exercise room. So it's good. At least they will enjoy exercising. And this is what's happening here. So, and I'll be installing the bouncy castle here, this side. We have a bouncy castle and a swimming pool, but the swimming pool is quite big, like
It's so dark.
it's 12 to 22, 12 inches by 22 inches. So it's just like a half court, the big one. Okay, go.
Let's go inside.
Wait muna. Okay, why you afraid? Go. I'm here. What's going on?
Let's go. Let's go inside. I don't like it.
Why you don't like it? Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching and bye for now.